If ChatGPT and Google had a genius child, that obviously would be Perplexity.ai. But guess what? It is not a smart search tool anymore. It is something that will help you to create your own AI powered app so easily and with effective features with its lab feature. So in this video, I'll show you what makes Perplexity so powerful and how can you create such kind of AI powered app so easily with its lab feature and a trick by which you can use Perplexity.ai free for a year. So without any delay, we are here at Perplexity.ai. The UI is quite simple. It says ask anything or mention a space. It has few icons like search, research, and labs. Labs is kind of a playground where you will mention your requirements, whatever you like in your app, whatever you want in your application, and it will help you to create all of this. Right. For example, I'm asking create a financial management system where I will give my monthly salary and savings in my account. You need to not you but the app need to tell me how much should I save, expand, have in liquid amount, and for emergency. Give the expected ROI for investment after 5 and 10 years. Provide the application. I'm writing provide the application because I don't want it will provide only details, but I want application, right? So we are entering. So it may take some time. It will usually take 11 to 12 minutes, and I'm not gonna wait till then. So I have created few applications. We'll go through them one by one. I have created plugins as well. So here is something. It will check for whatever your requirements is. It will go through every possible website from where it can fetch the details for the requirements and then combine everything. So this is my first application I tried on lab. I gave a prompt as create an application which accepts the email ID and password with complete security and required keyword, automatically log into the email and create a subfolder with the keyword and move all the emails of inbox to the keyword folder. If the keyword lie in the subject line of any email inbox, I would prefer Python, and all email providers should support this application. So for now, you can just ignore the spelling mistakes I've made here. As so lab did not give so much attention to my spelling mistake and gave me the code, I forgot to ask for the application I wanted. I mentioned it later, and after that, it provided me the application here. Alright, this is the application that it created. You can ignore the spelling of give like lab ignored, and the UI is pretty impressive. It's not too bad, it's not too good. You can improve it however you want. So let's check the functionality. You can select the email provider clicking on Gmail. You can write your email address. I wrote my own. You can use your app password here. App password is something that you will have to create your own using your Gmail. You will have to enable your two-factor verification. After that, you will searching for app password, giving the name of the application, and it will generate an app password that you will have to copy and paste it here, right? So you can see, you can watch any 2 minute 3 minute YouTube video that will help you to create app password. So the authentication method would be OAuth. And so filter keyword is no reply. It means if no reply is present in any subject line, it will be moved to that particular subfolder that it will be created. So connect in process, say it is connecting, authenticating, scanning, creating folder, moving emails, and finalizing. Great. And yeah, it's done. So this is for the testing purpose, but if you want to make it for real, you will have to connect to Google Cloud, make Gmail API, enable, do some client ID secret key work, and after that it will work, right? So I checked it that way, it was also working, but I forgot to record that, and yeah, we are testing it here. All right, this is the time when we will check the application that we created for finance, right? We'll click on application here. The application look like pretty simple. We can give our monthly income say 50,000 and savings say 25,000 in my account. Calculate my budget, and within millisecond it gave us the result. So from those 50,000, how should we expand? It gave a plan like we should spend 50% needs, 30% wants, and 20% saving and investment. After that, it gave something like emergency fund status. So right now we have 25,000 saving, that is showing it here. After investment, we have 10,000 for investment. It gave us here, right? So in 10,000, how it should be distributed? It should have 7,000 per month for emergency fund, 2,000 per month for mutual fund, and 1,000 per month for savings. And after 5 years, it will give you 1,79,000. After 10 years, it will show you somewhere 5.5 lakh. After 15 years, it will give you somewhere around 13.53 lakh if market goes the way it is going. Right. It is just a idea that the way you invest according to this app, and you might get this kind of return in the future. So the app is pretty impressive. You can, it's not about this particular app, so I'm not going in detail what this app is all about. This is about the lab feature, that how simply it had created an app that will help you to manage your financial system. So Perplexity Lab is not just about creating AI tools that we have created just now. Now I'm gonna create an extension for Chrome. So I want to create an extension for Chrome that will show how much time I have spent on any website on the same day. I forgot to mention that. Give me the code for this. Give me the code for this. I have given the command to lab. Now it will gather all the required information to create that code that we will be using to create extension for Chrome. It might take around 7 to 8 minutes. We'll wait till then and we'll see how it goes. So you can see it has started giving us the code. So without wasting any time, till when it is continuing giving us the code, we'll start using this code. So first of all, we need to create a folder where we will be writing this code. So we'll open desktop, creating a folder here, say extension. Right. After this, we'll be using Visual Studio Dev Environment Online and opening the folder that we have created just now, that is in the desktop. So extension, we need to select it here and we need to give it the permissions. And yeah, extension is here. We'll be creating the files, and it said we'll be creating 6 files. So creating the first one, and the name should be manifest.json. Second file would be, let's copy the code and paste it in manifest.json, right? Copy the code for background JS. So So till now we had to create 6 files, and I have pasted all the codes that was given by the lab to all the files simultaneously. And after that we'll just save this, and it has already been saved in the folder. So we'll come to the extension, extensions, manage extensions. We'll load unpacked, click on extension, and we'll select it here. So it says icon 16 png, there's some issue with that, so we'll cancel it. And it is in the manifest.json, right? So for now I don't know what is the issue, so I'm removing this icon, right? So we'll try it again. select, and it is here. We'll pin it. So how much time it says. So top side today explore data on this side. So our extension is working fine. After pin it up, we can see we have spent 12 seconds on VS Code app. We have spent 4 seconds on Amazon, 2 seconds on Google.com, and obviously it will, when we go on any other end, click on again, it will say that we have spent some seconds on Flipkart. It's not very effective because we have spent more than 1 second, but after some time I'm sure it will be more than 1 second will show. So we can clear today's data. It says yes, we can clear, and it will start it again. So this is all right. So this is about. So this is. So these are some short things about the labs feature. I have created extension. I have created AI tools. I have created some other things as well that I'm not going to show in this video. For the next video, I'll save it. But the lab extension is really good. And one most important thing is that the pro version of Perplexity is 17,000. But how can you use it for free? So if you are an Airtel user, Airtel has made a deal with Perplexity. So the real question is, how can you use Perplexity Pro for free? Because it costs 17,000 for a year. So the thing is, Airtel made a deal with Perplexity that if you are an Airtel user, you can go to Thanks app and claim a 1 year subscription of Perplexity Pro. So it's a good opportunity for you. You can go to Thanks app and claim the subscription, use many things in Perplexity AI, use lab feature for your different uses, and let me know in the comment section how was this video, and don't forget to like the video and hit the subscribe button. Till then, bye bye.